The part that I like about my job is to work with people to find quotes for the older style projects. They are more challenging, but they are also more satisfying when you can help out the customer for them. I am Diederik and I'm the team lead of the spare parts department. And I'm responsible for the performance of the spare parts team and also for the process improvements within that team. The most challenging part about my job is to provide spare parts for end-of-life components. When a customer calls us and the spare part is end-of-life, then we need to react quickly to support our customer in their needs. We help the customer improve the reliability of their systems by providing them with standard modification kits for end-of-life components. For example, we receive a lot of requests for end-of-life components. We try to standardize those end-of-life modification kits so we can send them out to our customers as soon as possible. We are proactively researching our install base for end-of-life components to ensure that we have standardized modification kits ready for when the customer needs them. Working for Rademaker means for me that I can contribute to the world to provide sustainable food solutions.